Welcome back, guys. We're here in the shop today, and it's an exciting day for us because we're starting down the path with Lax Industries, our local Tier 1 auto supplier that builds the carbon fiber Dodge Demon 170 wheels. That's right, they build all of the wheels for the Dodge Demon 170 in their carbon fiber. They are here in the shop today getting us set up to measure for our big brake kit on the wide body that we've built for SEMA in the past, because our big brake kit will fit the Z06. So anybody that is not running the carbon ceramics and they want to run a big brake kit, we will have a big brake kit for the Z06. These guys are measuring it because, yes, you probably guessed it, carbon fiber wheels direct from Lax Industries, revealed at SEMA this year. No one's done it before. We're the first. We're going to follow the team along today as they scan everything on the car. And they're going to take all that data back and start to build the label Lax proprietary carbon fiber barrel. It's a big day. All right, guys, so this is Brandon from Lax Industries. Brandon just finished scanning the car and getting the brake data put together for us. And my big question is, Brandon, what are we doing with that data? And this machine right here looks pretty intricate. What's its capabilities when you are capturing that data?
We're scanning the whole surface of where our wheel, or where the wheel will mount.
Okay.
So we can get critical dimensions on, so there's no collisions with the wheel and the caliper.
Yep.
So basically we can get a digital copy of the wheel so we can take it back and do our measurements and then kind of iterate from there instead of, you know, having to hard measure everything. So.
For sure. So this just ensures that when you guys are designing the wheel that we don't have any collisions with our new wheel design and the big brake package that we're going to be using on the car.
Right, so we can get, you know, the best look, the best fitment with having the best brakes that you can have on the vehicle. So
perfect.
Yep.
So I think this is really an important step in this process, guys. I just want to take a quick second, introduce you to Brandon from Lax. They brought a couple other guys over today, captured the data. They were in and out quick. Hopefully we'll be using them for many other vehicles and projects that we're working on. But stay tuned as we get this stuff put through the lab and we get over to Lax and start the build on the wheel. Thanks, Brandon.
Cool. Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
So guys, it's been a couple days since Lax did all their measurements and they got back to the lab, translated everything into their software, and a couple days later they showed up with this beauty. So this is just an example. This is one that didn't pass testing, but they're allowing us to have for display. This is their full carbon fiber barrel that we will be building our wheel platform from. And to let you know, that's just how light it is. It's pretty wild. So it's really cool when we get to see these things kind of deconstructed. I'm excited to see this. And also, I can't wait to show you guys some of the designs that we came up with. It's hard to do something unique in the wheel game because everybody's done everything 100 times. But I think we really have some of our personality showing through with the designers at Lax and Lax Carbon Fiber that are really going to make you guys want to run these wheels on your car. So we're excited to see what they come up with. As they start to send over some designs, we're going to start reviewing and basically putting them into our rendering packages and eventually releasing those online. So you guys will see some of our styles of wheels before we actually reveal the wheel in person at SEMA. And feel free to let us know your thoughts. And if you want to get on the early list to purchase a set of these, obviously they won't be cheap. Pricing will be similar to Dymags, which we all know the Dymag name. These being produced here in the USA by a Tier 1, I have the most confidence in the world in them. And I think with our proprietary 4x4 weave on these, they're going to be just amazing. So I couldn't be more excited to get these on the car and get to SEMA. So thanks for watching this episode, guys. As usual, if there's something you want to see behind the scenes that we haven't shown you, or a process, you know, shoot us a DM, shoot us a message, let us know. We like interacting with you guys, and hopefully you find some entertainment value in what we do. Stay tuned for the next episode.